If you want your toilets to flush just like that, then I highly suggest this green Gobbler drain and clog remover. It works really well. It doesn't use any harsh chemicals. It doesn't use bleach. It has 2 uses in it. It's very easy to use. It's marked here on the side. You use half the bottle, and you can see where 1 use is, and then you have your other use. This works great on hair, grease, toilet paper, anything basically that you can put in your toilet. It works really well. The only thing I will say about this is that it doesn't work super fast. It's not going to clear out a drain in 5 minutes. It's not going to break up grease that quickly because it doesn't use bleach and other chemicals like that. So if you're going to use this, you're going to have to make sure that you remind yourself that you got to put it in overnight or let it sit for a few hours, but it does work. Hope it helps.